Good afternoon. Hope everybody's doing well. This is my first screencast-o-matic video. I just wanted to remind everybody how handsome I am and how melodic the sound of my voice is. I also wanted to point out a problem that many of you seem to have had in the women's suffrage reading. It was this question number 2, which hopefully you can see on the screen. The question was, according to the map, what is one state that was not affected by the 19th Amendment? Well, the 19th Amendment is what prohibited states from denying suffrage to women. So as long as a state had given women full suffrage by 1919, then they didn't need to have the amendment. It was all the other states that needed to have the amendment. So for example, if you look at our own state, New York, or your state, 1917, women had full suffrage by 1917. So with the 19th Amendment in 1919, it didn't affect women in New York at all. Whereas women in Pennsylvania, they didn't have any suffrage, no right to vote on anything. Women in Florida had the right to vote only in municipal elections in certain cities. So that means only for like mayor or, whatever. Women over here in Louisiana could only vote in local school elections. And then women over here in Missouri and Iowa could only vote for the president. The first state that gave women full suffrage is interesting. It's Wyoming over here in 1869. That's only 4 years after the Civil War. And I think many of you realize, if you think about it, why Wyoming was the first. Well, the type of people that moved out there, these were homesteaders. The women who lived out there were very rough and tumble. They had to basically do everything that men had to do and more. So if we're talking about giving women the type of respect by allowing them to vote, women earned that respect in Wyoming from Jump Street, from the get-go. So that's why in 1869, women in Wyoming were given full suffrage. Okay? So if you wanted to answer this question correctly, going back full circle, the correct answer would be any of the orange states. Because if you look at every single one of the orange states, they gave women full suffrage before 1919. So it could be New York or Michigan or North Dakota or California or Texas or whatever. Okay? So I hope this was helpful, and I will try to make more of these. Have a very nice day, stay safe, and I will speak with you soon. Bye-bye.